Purpose and impact of the award. The purpose of the I Am Law Award is to honor those who are committed to promoting justice and ethical practices. By recognizing these efforts, the award aims to inspire others to engage in legal and ethical advocacy and highlight the transformative impact of justice on community well-being. This award can significantly impact by, number one, showcasing effective legal and ethical advocacy practices. Number two, encouraging community members to value and pursue justice and fairness. Number three, providing recognition and support to legal advocates who often work behind the scenes. And number four, demonstrating to sponsors the vital role of justice and community empowerment. Nominate a hero at higherselfawards.org.
Tehu Community Development.
Real estate investment loans for fix and flips, rehab loans, bridge loans, new construction loans, or a purchase of 1 to 4 unit rentals and multiple family rentals, 75% to 92% loan to value, credit score of 680 or higher. Visit us at tehucommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228 about our other financial products for your business.
Your business is our priority.